Hi guys, my name is Anne. I'm the in-house yoga teacher at Costa Dulce, and I would love to invite you to come and train with us in the Costa Dulce School of Yoga Teacher Training. Our training happens in the middle of nature, where you immerse yourself with the beautiful surroundings and you learn not only about the surroundings but also how to connect with yourself. We do deep self-connecting practices, do daily yoga practice, several meditation techniques from Buddhism and from yoga, shamanistic techniques, and also other trainings that contribute to you being comfortable with who you are. So that includes resistance training, we do ice baths, we go hiking, and we just learn about ways to sustain ourselves, to build a healthy relationship with ourselves, and from that place also contribute to the world around us. So we not only train yoga teachers, but we really want to train leaders, people that are comfortable with themselves, with who they are, and who want to make the change for the world.
One of the highlights wasn't necessarily one moment, it was actually every single morning. We got up really early and walked to a shala that was at a point, and it's absolutely gorgeous, and we meditated there every morning, and then we went back and did yoga, and it was 3 hours every morning of this just amazing time where we learned from the instructors and about ourselves, and it was pretty magical.
The highlight of my yoga teacher training was just a normal day, just doing yoga and if possible going for a surf and then jumping in the ocean, which is right next to the yoga shala.
For me, mostly, I remember that we did a vision board on our future, and we really had to dig deep on what we wanted to change and see how we could implement that for our future. That was really helpful, and I still think about it every day.
The highlight for me was morning meditations. The clarity I found in it and the progress I made with daily meditation. It was something I never thought I would be able to accomplish on my own, and I did. I really grew through morning meditations.
The highlight of the training was being in this amazing space with awesome teachers and great friends.
So if you're interested in that, please reach out. I'm so happy to hear from you. Have a wonderful day.